Good afternoon, students. This is Mukesh Chauhan. Today I am going to release my video for the students of class 9th. Students, I am going to release my video for the book Beehive, chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Students, as usual, I have again divided this whole chapter into 3 videos. So this is my first video. Since this is a long story, it won't be possible for me to complete the whole story into one video. Therefore, I have decided to divide it into 3 videos. So you will get 3 videos for this story also, like the previous one. Students, this story is on the life of the great scientist. It is Albert Einstein. Students, whenever a word genius comes to our mind, the only one name comes to us, that is Albert Einstein. Students, he was born in Germany. His place of birth is city of Ulm, that is in Germany. He was born on 14th March 1879. Like the other children, when he was born, his parents were having great expectations from him. His birth was usual like the other children. But even after 1 year, when Albert was not capable of speaking, his parents started worrying about him. He was not able to speak even at the age of 2.5 years. When he was about 2 years old, his playmates or his friends used to call him Brother Boring. Actually, he was a slow-talking man. One more thing was with him, that he used to repeat everything twice. Whatever he used to say, he used to say it twice. Therefore, his friends used to call him Brother Boring. When he was hardly 15 months, his family shifted to Munich. His teachers used to say to his father, whatever he will be in his profession or in his life, he won't get success. So, Albert's parents were very much worried about him. But his mother was confident that her child is not a slow dog. Her child is not having any mental disorder. She was quite firm about it. She didn't believe on the statement given by the headmaster regarding the success of Albert. Students, there is famous statements about Albert that he used to love toys. He was the man of mechanical mind since his childhood. He used to screw the toys which were given to him for playing. He never used them for playing, but he used to screw them. He used to open them and setting their parts again back at its place. He was having his younger sister. He used to say, "Where are your toys?" He never took interest in his sister, but he always took interest in her toys. He used to play with the toys as a mechanic. When Albert completed his 15 months, his parents shifted to Munich. There he was carried to the school. At school, his favorite subjects were mathematics, physics, and music. He was a good violinist. He used to play violin so nicely that his mother wished that he must be a great musician. She never thought that her son will become such a great person or great scientist. She wished, said that he would be a great musician. Therefore, she used to advise him to play violin. But Albert never played violin as a professionalist. He used to play violin only for the sake of his personal interest. He used to play it for only personal amusement. He had only completed 18 or 20 months. His father again shifted from Munich to Milan. Now they shifted themselves to Milan, where he was sent to school again. When his parents shifted to Milan, they left Albert with their relatives. Means they did not take Albert with them. They left him with the relatives in Munich only. Later on, the great discussion, it was decided that Albert will be given admission into the University of Zurich for the further studies, where he studied science, physics, and some more subjects of his great interest. Students, there are many stories regarding the life of Albert. The story which you are studying is one of them. When Albert was sent to Zurich, which were more liberal than Munich, he took admission there and gradually started taking interest like the other students. Since childhood, there was no sign that he will become a great scientist, but gradually he started taking interest. There was one more student, that was Mileva. Mileva was his classmate. At that time, Zurich was one of the great universities for the women education. Therefore, he got Mileva as a student or as a partner in his studies. There he took great interest in the subjects of physics. Music was also a part of his life as well as his study. He studied there with Mileva, and gradually he fell in love with Mileva. And mentally he was thinking about marrying her. Both were discussing their study materials or study subjects as well as their personal subjects also. Later on, this news was received by his mother. Initially, she got worried about it, but she thought that it would be better that her son get married with the daughter, with the girl who was of his own choice, who was of his own subject. Albert was not in a mind or in a place or in a position to get married at that time, because he thought that first of all he would complete his mission, he would complete his studies. At the early age, Albert got fame because of his papers which were published in the magazine. They were on the time and space, which changed the idea of thinking of the whole universe regarding the structure of universe or the existence of universe. The people who used to think the universe, this matter of God, the matter of Sun God, but the presence of these papers into the journal changed the ideology of the human beings on this subject matter. Thank you, students. At the end of this video, you will get some home assignment. I hope you are completing all the assignments which I am giving at the end of every video. Please do it in your notebook. Thank you very much.